What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the update on the Galaxy A52 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. The Galaxy A52 5G actually just got an update, and I just want to go ahead and show you guys that we did get an update. So all you're going to have to do is go into settings, so get that drop down bar menu right there, click on settings, and you guys should scroll all the way to the top, and it's going to say you have a software update available. And if it doesn't say that at the top, which it didn't for me today, and I don't know why I didn't show that, but we're going to want to scroll all the way down until we see software update right here. Go ahead and click on download and install, and I actually paused this update right here, and I had auto download over Wi-Fi on, and I guess it still didn't update, but we're going to go ahead and click on this. It says the update includes improvements to functions as listed below. The exact changes may differ depending on your device model, country, region, and service provider. So what they're going to be working on in this update is other bug fixes, overall stability of functions improved, the latest Android security patch has been applied, and device security has been further enhanced. So you guys are definitely going to go ahead and download this so you can get the latest security patch on your Galaxy A52 5G. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be on the regular A52 or the Galaxy A72, but I'll definitely update you guys through a video. It also says to get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. The temperature of the device may temporarily increase during the software upgrade or update because of the data download and associated behaviors. So we have a doc right there if you guys want to go ahead and see other information, but I'm pretty sure it's the same information that we see right here. But our security patch level is going to be June 1st, so this is going to be a very recent update, June 1st, 2021 to be exact, and it looks like we have a size of 226 megabytes, so that's not too shabby right there. This is going to be a pretty decent update, but we're going to go ahead and download this. We're going to go over this, and I'm going to let you know how long this takes to update, and we're going to go ahead and talk about it after this. So you can either schedule to install, or you can go ahead and install now. We're just going to go ahead and install now. Alright everyone, so the phone is now loading up. This update probably took about 3 to 4 minutes, so it's not going to be too long at all. So I feel like most of you don't have to schedule this. Just download it on your lunch break or download it at home when you're on your free time. But yeah, this didn't take too long at all. If you guys have any questions about the update, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be answering them. As you guys can see, phone is updating, optimizing all of the applications inside of the phone. But only took about 3-4 minutes, and it's really cool that we're getting so many security patches on the A52 5G. Really do like this, and the phone's been running great so far. Yeah guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.